Hey everyone, so I'm going to go over the concepts from this week just to explain and review the different angle relationships that we covered this week. So in this video, I'm just going to review the vocabulary and the relationships, and then in the next video, after your practice problems, I'll go over solutions to the practice problems, okay? So let's start off with our first angle relationship, which is this one right here. And this one, if you remember from the from the Nearpod or the games and stuff, this one is showing what we call corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, right? And corresponding angles are equal, congruent, equal to each other. So for example, angle 3 is equal to angle 7. And all the ones that are color coded the same, they're equal to each other, right, in this situation. So for example, we've got angle 8, that's going to be equal to angle 4. So corresponding angles, pretty much if you were to take angle 7 and shift that up, I can't because it's not in parts, but if you were to take angle 7 and then shift that up, you'd be able to lay it right on top of angle 3. So you can see that they're going to be the same value. Okay, they're corresponding, they're kind of in the same corners, just shifted up or down from each other. Okay, so that's what corresponding angles are. You just got to remember corresponding angles are equal to each other. The next we have alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles, all right? So alternate means alternating back and forth. So if you think about our transversal right here, right? Alternating back and forth on opposite sides of the transversal. So those are angles that are on opposite sides of the transversal. And then interior is angles that are on the inside of the parallel lines. So alternate interior are angles that are on the inside of the parallel lines, but then are on opposite sides of the transversal, okay? And alternate interior angles are also equal to each other. These are equal. These are equal to each other. So for example, take angle 4, we can say that that equals angle 6, okay? So that's the relationship between those. Then we have same side interior, same side interior, same side interior angles. That means these are angles that are on the same side of the transversal, right? The angle 4 and angle 5, they're on the left side of the transversal. They're both on the left. Angle 3 and angle 6 are all on the left. Really, angle 1, angle 4, angle 5, angle 8, those are all same side, but we're looking at interior. So just the ones that are on the inside of the parallel lines. So same side and inside of the parallel lines. So angle 4 and angle 5 are same side, and angle 3 and angle 6 are also same side. Now the relationship between these are not equal to each other, okay? They add up to 180. So angle 4 plus angle 5 equals 180 degrees, right? So the sum equals 180, okay? And we can see that because if we know, let's see. Okay, if we take a look at angle 4, oops. If we take a look at angle 4 and angle 3 make a straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees, right? Now we've learned that angle 3 and angle 5 are what are called alternate interior angles. And alternate interior angles are equal. So we can say that if angle 4 plus angle 3 equals 180, then angle 4 plus angle 5, which is also the same as angle 3, should also equal 180. And that's why we could say that same side interior angles are equal to 180. Lastly, we've got, oh no, we've got two more relationships. Now we're going on to the outside, the exterior. It's going to be the same in like alternate, same side, but now it's exterior angle. So these are alternate because they're on opposite sides of the transversal, alternate, exterior because they're on the outside. Exterior, oh, that's a funky eye. Exterior angles. And again, these are equal to each other. So for example, we've got angle 1 equals angle 7. So whatever angle 1 is, you can set it equal to angle 7. Angle 2 equals to angle 8, all right? Now, and you can also kind of investigate these through other relationships. For example, if we know that angle 1, so to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 7, we can say, well, angle 1 is a vertical angle with angle 3, and vertical angles are equal to each other. And then we know that angle 3 is a corresponding angle with angle 7, and corresponding angles are equal to each other. So we know that angle 1 equals angle 3 because they're vertical. And then we know that angle 3 is equal to angle 7 because of their corresponding. So let's see if this is going to fit. It's not going to fit. Okay. So then we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 7, right? We can go this way, right? Angle 1 equals angle 3, and then angle 3 equals angle 7. So that means that angle 1, we can jump straight to angle 7. Okay. I'm just going to delete all of that. Okay. Then we're going to move on to the last relationship, which is also exterior angles, but these are same side exterior angles. Okay. And again, they're on the same side of the transversal, angle 1, angle 8, angle 2, and angle 7, and they're on the exterior on the outside of the parallel lines. And just like same side interior, same side exterior have to have a sum of 180. So that means that angle 1 plus angle 8 equals 180. And angle 2 plus angle 7 also equals 180, right? And you can also prove this one, right? We know that, let's see, we know that angle 1 and angle 4, angle 1 and angle 4 make a line, which is 180. So that means that angle 1 plus angle 4 equals 180. But then we know that angle 4 is corresponding with angle 8. So we know that angle 4, let me put that to the side. Angle 4 equals angle 8. So if angle 4 equals angle 8, then we can just replace angle 4. We can substitute angle 4 with angle 8. So angle 1 plus angle 8 equals 180. And we get the relationship that we found. Okay. So that's just a proof of it. If you like forget, then you can think about the other relationships that we've learned about. But these are the 5 angle relationships that we learned about this week. So go ahead and review these and use these to help you solve the practice problems, which are going to be these. All right, and I posted these problems already on Schoology, so I'm just showing them to you. So again, just review these definitions. These will be helpful in helping you solve the practice problems for this week. All right, bye everybody.